Hello gorgeous hotties! Today I have 6 super easy hairstyles that are perfect for summer. I'm gonna share with you guys some tips that I found to be really helpful when doing your hair, and also some trends that I've been seeing in hairstyles recently. So before we get started, here's a quick word from our sponsor, Ana Luisa. You guys know that I'm a huge Ana Luisa fan. I've been wearing their jewelry for almost over a year now. I have a huge collection of all of their pieces and it's just growing bigger. Today, all the jewelry that I'm wearing in this video is from Ana Luisa. On my hands, I'm wearing the Rope Slim Gold Twist Ring, and for my necklace, I'm wearing the Saya Mother of Pearl. Ana Luisa's jewelry is high quality for a low price. Part of their philosophy for their brand is that they're extremely transparent about their materials, their design process, and also their materials. They're setting a new standard within the jewelry industry to be as accountable as possible. Ana Luisa is 100% carbon and water neutral, and you can find out all about it and read all of their statistics on their website. Ana Luisa represents a lot of things that are important to me as a consumer, and I'm so proud to continue to be a partner with them long term. So you can get a discount from Ana Luisa by clicking my personal link in the description box below. And with that, let's get started with this video. So for my first hairstyle, this is my favorite hairstyle that I have been wearing nonstop. Here are a couple photos for my Instagram showing that. So taking a rat tail comb, I'm splitting my hair down the back, and recently I've been liking to take a little piece of hair right above my ear and leaving that out for a little bit of extra movement. So starting at the top of my hair, I'm doing a very loose French braid all the way down and continuing with a 3-strand braid until I've reached the bottom of my hair. And the goal is to keep the hair as loose as possible while you're braiding, because afterwards I'm just taking my fingers and I'm pinching each side of the braid to loosen it up. Then with an elastic, I'm tying this off into a little loop, and this just makes it easier to hide the loose ends of the hair afterwards. I'm repeating on the other side, and with our 2 loose braids, I'm first taking the right side and I'm curling it underneath itself. And I'm doing a pretty small loop that just wraps around my 4 fingers, and I'm continuing to twirl this underneath itself until I reach the nape of my neck. And you're going to create sort of like a little tunnel of a bun, and with 2 bobby pins, I'm going to cross these bobby pins on the inside of the loop, and this will secure the bun extremely well. Like, I can wear this hairstyle all day. I can be sweating, I can be jumping, I can be walking, and this hairstyle is not gonna fall apart. And of course, you guys recognize this Miu Miu bucket hat, my favorite thing in my closet right now. I've been obsessed. I really like to wear this hairstyle with a hat, and because the hair is loose, you can still put a hat on top and it doesn't end up being bulky at all. I love this hairstyle because it gets everything out of your face, but it's a super cute take on a double bun. Alright, for our next hairstyle, this is another favorite that I've been wearing recently. Again, I'm separating a small section of hair right in front of my ear, and then splitting my bangs down the front. I'm starting to braid this into a tight French braid. Once I reach the side of my head, I'm clipping this off with a butterfly clip. Then I'm going to be doing a modified braid. So from each side of our braid, I'm taking 2 sections of hair and I'm joining them in the center. And you can either use a small clip like I'm doing here, or you can tie these together with a small elastic. Moving 1 inch below, I'm repeating the process, and I'm also just kind of loosening up the hair to give it more volume. And I'm going to repeat this all the way down as if it's a braid. And then once I've reached the bottom, I'm going to tie this off with an elastic and then use 1 last butterfly clip to hide the elastic. And then I'm going to repeat on the other side. And that's it for this hairstyle. I find that sometimes when I braid my hair, it makes my hair look very small, and I want more volume than that. So I like using this hack to fake a very voluminous braid. If you have very thin hair, this is a really great hack for you. For my next hairstyle, this is another hairstyle that I've been loving to wear recently. I was inspired by the double fringe braid. I've been seeing it everywhere on social media, and I'm sure you guys have been seeing it too. This is my own take on it as somebody who has front bangs. So again, splitting my hair down the front with my rat tail comb, I'm taking 1 side of my bangs and I'm twisting it away from my face. And then I'm using my fingers to loosen up the hair. Then I'm taking a butterfly clip and I'm clipping this away from my face, and I'm repeating on the other side. From here, I'm simply going to do 2 3-strand braids to frame the sides of my face, and then I'm tying it off with an elastic. And then I'm going to decorate with more butterfly clips for a rainbow effect. You can use some hairspray to keep your little wispy bangs from flying out of your twists, and that's it for this hairstyle. I've been wearing this a lot. If you guys know the struggle with front bangs, when it's a windy day, or especially if you're going to the beach, you just look like an idiot because your bangs are flying around and you just look super stupid. So I've been loving to wear this hairstyle when I know that it's going to be windy, or I wore this recently when I went to the beach. The next hairstyle is a hack that I learned that you can incorporate into other hairstyles, but I basically learned how to do a lattice effect with some clips. So I'm going to demonstrate this on just one side of my hair. I'm taking a 1-inch section at the top of my head and I'm clipping this off with a butterfly clip. Then taking the strand that we've created, I'm splitting this into two. I'm twisting the strand once so that it stays in place. I'm taking another strand from the side of my head and I'm taking a butterfly clip and I'm clipping these two strands together. And I'm repeating this on the other side. And as you can see, this creates a bit of a lattice effect. And depending on where you do this on your head, you can do a full lattice effect on your hair, which looks really, really cool. So that's it for this little hair hack. It literally takes no time at all and it creates such an awesome and intricate design. The next hairstyle is going to be an inverted braided crown bun. I've been seeing this hack on social media and I was dying to try it and to share you guys how I did this. So taking my rat tail comb, I'm sectioning my hair off into 3 sections, and the section in the back is going to be the thickest section. I'm taking the section in the back and while pulling upwards, I'm going to braid this off into a regular 3-strand braid. And I'm pulling this upwards because I'm going to twist my hair in an upward motion, and if you braid downwards and then pull it up, you're going to have sort of like a weird bump at the bottom. So with this braid, I'm going to be tugging it on the sides to give it more volume and securing this off at the end with an elastic. Then taking this braid, I'm going to twist it and coil it around itself until it collapses into a bun, and then I'm tucking the end underneath and bobby pinning it in place. Then starting with a 1-inch section of hair at the top of my head, I'm twisting it away from my face, and with each twist, I'm adding more hair and continuing to twist. Then once I reach my ear, I'm separating this into 3 strands and I'm braiding it off into a 3-strand braid. Again, I'm pulling the sides of the braid to give it more volume, and then I'm tying it off with an elastic and repeating on the other side. With 2 of these loose braids, I'm joining them together with an elastic, and here's the hack. I'm going to take these joined braids, flip it over my head so that it's facing the back. Now from the back of my head, I'm going to take the braids, cross them over each other underneath the bun, and then bring it upwards and twist it one more time above the bun and bring it back down. Then I'm going to tuck the end of the braids underneath the bun and bobby pin it in place. And this creates an extremely full bun. I'm accessorizing with this gorgeous pastel organza bow with pearls, and that's it for this hairstyle. I think that this low bun is very, very charming. I think it's perfect for a summer wedding, and this is just a really fun hair hack. You can do this inverted braided crown over any different hairstyle that you want. You can even do it over a ponytail or a plain bun. It doesn't have to be a braided bun. For my last hairstyle, I got these super cute butterfly clips from my friend Lily. I just wanted to put these all over my hair because they're so charming and they flap around like little butterflies. So taking 2 sections of hair from the side of my face, I'm joining them together with an elastic, and then inserting my finger in the middle of the 2 pieces, I'm going to flip the hair twice. Then I'm tugging on each sections of the hair to give it a little more volume. And then I'm repeating this process on a second part of my hair. I'm starting to insert my little butterflies here, and this is just a really easy hack so that you can put accessories in your hair and not have them slide around. You can end here, but I wanted more butterflies in my hair. So taking the 2 strands of hair that we've created, I'm just braiding those off into regular 3-strand braids and then hiding those elastics with more butterfly clips. And that's it for this hairstyle. This is the most charming hairstyle ever. I'm so obsessed and I just love how romantic it looks. So that's it for this hairstyle video. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and thank you to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. Don't forget you can get a discount code by clicking my personal link in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I'll see you guys again next time.